Sorry to interrupt, sir. If possible, Dakshina can call, sir, because of network issue. It may get delay, sir. Is it possible Dakshina can call, sir? It will be perfect timing also, sir.
Okay. Three. Three. Abraham Lincoln in the White House. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. White House. No, it's been already. Yeah, it's actually White House. 3, 2, 1, go. White House. Sir, it hit the blow. Last. Yes, sir. Last. Sir, Chuma sir, yeah. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. White House. White House. White House. What shall we do? Aditya, you should ask. Sorry.
What do you think now?
I think we should go first.
Yeah, Ratan, I too think we can go first.
சரி, if Team Rhythm is going first, angle சொல்லிருங்க. நீங்க வந்து எப்படி பிரசன்ட் பண்ண போறீங்க? ஆடியன்ஸா இவங்க இருப்பாங்க. இவங்க ப்ரிப்பரேஷனா பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ லிசன் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். இவங்க இப்படியே உட்காந்துட்டு சேரை மட்டும் எவாலுவேட் பண்ணிட்டு இந்த ஸ்பேஸை யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னா இவங்களும் உங்களை பார்ப்பாங்க, கேமராவும் உங்களை பார்ப்பாங்க. எஸ் ஸோ எஸ் அதாவது இவங்க இப்படியே உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. இந்த சேர்ஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த பென்சில் சானிடைசர் பென்சில் அங்கிருந்து விஷயத்துல இருக்கிற சேர் வரைக்கும் ஸ்பேஸ் நீங்க கேமரா என்ன பார்த்து அந்த ஸ்பேஸ்க்குள்ள அந்த ரேடியஸ்க்குள்ள பண்ணீங்கன்னா everything is covered with the camera. Yes. And these people can also see. Yes. I will sit there. Yes. Okay. Yes. Ask who is that camera is not good. And you also. Yes. You can do all of it.
Sir, if anyone of us want to stand in the stage for any important like excerpt, sir. So if we want to stand, can we stand on the stage?
You can go and stand on the stage. I will turn the camera.
Thanks.
Okay, so the scope of the 3 direct members of Team Rhythm is over here. Now they will keep the chairs away and they will perform here. And online members Rhythm, Mohit and Guru Prasanna can speak from there. Kalpita Balaji will be spectators. Siddhi Mridulashmi Mitra Vrindavan should be able to be spectators. So I have elongated the time from 12 minutes to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes maximum. 15 minutes maximum. Okay?
Thank
right?
you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, time conscious. You have done 2 rehearsals. You have done 0 rehearsals. So you got to be very, very careful. Please understand and remember the commands, people. The first command is possibility of attack. The second command is possibility of kidnap. The third command is a positive command. That is you are ready. That is you are back into the league. Normal back into the league. And the fourth and final command is possibility of getting along with the demons. That's the fourth command. Pray God that you are not getting the fourth command, because if you are getting the fourth command, whatever activity, whatever effort you take, you will never earn any marks. Okay? But with the kind of rehearsal that these guys have put up, and with the kind of improvement that you people have done, I don't think fourth and third will be there. And the first one is very Any questions, boys? Ratan, Guru, and Arthur.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
அதாவது பச்சின்னா இந்த எவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருக்கவங்களோட தலை அதில் குட்டி குட்டி ஸ்பேரோ வந்து எடுத்துக்கணும். அதுதான் அந்த ஸ்பேரோ தான் நம்ம பச்சின்னு சொல்லுவோம். நீ அவளுக்கு பச்சி
Excuse me, sir.
ஓகேவாடா, ரெடியா?
I say one thing to my team, sir.
Yeah, sure, go.
So, friends, everyone remember your own studies at the college, and it is Victoria Arts and Science College, and I hope everyone remember at what study you are studying, and if anyone didn't remember, kindly ask right now, friends.
Anna, I don't remember.
So, for you, Mohit, BA.
Victoria Glory na welcome.
I didn't write glory, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hey, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, ready. Riten, good leadership so far.
Super, Ratan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ready? 3.
Ratan, double thumbs up, na, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, and start.
So hello everyone, Anurag present here, and we are from yes, Mohit. So we are from MS News, and this is one of the most popular news channels in the whole MS city. And this is Sunday special, and we are going to bring up a old story which most of them doesn't know. And we are here with the most important story and most, how to say, like intelligent peoples who get to know the story. And we are here with MS Dakshin Siddharthana, and he and Ashwathaman and Sanjay Anna. These three are the most main anchors at this place. I hope next Ashwathaman will take over this place. Up to Ashwathaman.
So good evening, everyone present here. I'm Ashwathaman, the reporter from the MS News, and it's already 6 p.m. and we know what it is.
Yeah.
It's the evil laws.
Welcome to Evil Laws. There have been various instances in our country where law has been evil, where malpractices have been taking over the country. So, good evening, everyone. I'm MS Dakshin Siddharth, and I'm the main anchor. I'm the main anchor of our show, The Evil Laws. So today we are going to be discussing about a true incident which happened in 1975. So actually what happened in 1975 was, as we all know, there was a national emergency, and because of that there was a lot of unemployment, lots of political issues, and a lot of all those sort of things. So in 1974, people were protesting. As a result, the politicians, they bribed the policemen and they took them into their side, and the police department was having a lot of malpractices in them. So today we are going to disclose a true story which exposed the evils of the police system back in 1975. So this incident is very much related to a bungalow called the Stanley's Bungalow, as you can see on the screen. Here, an old woman's children and grandchildren were arrested and detained illegally without any proper reason. And we have a guest from that time. So now it's 2021. So back then he was 22 years old. So now Guru Prasanna is around 70 years old and he's living in the United Kingdom. Mr. Guru Prasanna, is your voice audible? I mean, is my voice audible to you?
Hello. Is my voice audible?
Yes, Mr. Guru, you're very much audible and we have a lovely audience over here. You can start narrating the story which happened.
Yes. I'm very happy to be here. I'm just going to tell the story which happened in 1974. There were 6 boys who were in Victorial Victory Global Arts and Science College, and the 6 boys were Ratan, Sanjay, Ashwathaman, Guru, Mohit, and Dakshan, and they were all college students. One among them was myself, uh, and at the time we all were complete. We all were completed second year, and we were in the holidays. At the time, we just go to a old house which was and at there we saw a old lady, and today I'm just going to tell the about the old lady and the story which happened.
Can I take this from the sir?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh, hello, young man. What's your name? What's your name?
So as everyone saw in this screen, Dakshana was acting as the old lady. So just an information. Continue, Ashwathaman.
No, friends,
Yeah, yes.
There's an old lady
What,
in the kitchen.
Ashwathaman?
Please help me.
I'm shouting, man.
Don't imagine something else
Yeah,
which is
stop
not
blabbering.
visible.
This
No, I too saw her.
we have the proof. It is not about sleepwalking and just stuff. Just yeah.
How
Just
can
wake
a old
Dakshin
lady
up.
come?
But I want sleep, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll just go take a back.
Yeah, I'm not coming anywhere. Go. Hey, what are you doing? Get lost.
Okay, just leave him. Just leave him. He's so annoying. If he comes, everyone will be getting angry. Just leave him. You can just go.
The most boring days I've ever had.
Yeah, so let's just go and check out on the old lady.
I'm not coming with
Come
you.
on. Okay, just
Who
leave him.
are
He
you,
can go.
old lady?
Just leave him, we can go.
This is
Wow,
the
you
old
brought
lady
your
I
friends also along with you. Hi.
said. This is the old lady I said.
Who are you? First off, who are you?
Who are you and why are you here?
No. I was there right from day one.
Yeah. You're from the day one.
Stanley, tell them about me, please.
Out of character, Stan is injured. What's the records? What's happening?
They're fighting with
What's
me.
that?
They're telling me that strange.
Just some.
Man, sit down. Sit down. Sit
Some
down.
women just appear in front of
85
Hey,
years
shut
old.
up. Shut up. She's 85 years old and she's been working as a captain here and she's been a gardener a couple of times over here. I've seen her several times and what's the big deal about it? I mean, you are a guest here and you are only my friend, okay? So I just cannot give you the privileges of the agenda. She's been living here for several years, man. You're comfortable now?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
She's my
Sorry, Stanley. We haven't seen her for the past 3 days, so
You're all my friends. I totally agree that, but I cannot accept any disrespect towards my maid. Okay, my servants and maid and all the other people who are working as scavengers in this bungalow ought to be respected. And I know her. I know her. Treat her nicely. You understand? You understand?
Okay.
You're
We're very
So
sorry,
it's-
we did not know you.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. What's your age? Like, what's your age? Youngsters. Can you all, I need a favor from you. Can you all help me? Yeah, so police station is like
what
5
you need
kilometers
help,
away.
ma'am? Just what's your help? Yes, we are all ready to help you, ma'am. So as Stanley knows, so we are also your friends. So you could just ask any sort of help, ma'am.
Thank you so much, young man. So you see, 2 days ago, there's a police station nearby, right? Like 5 kilometers away. There, two policemen, they arrested two of my sons and two of my grandsons. They haven't explained the proper reason to me, and when I go up to them and I ask them the reason, they say I'm mad and they ask me to go away. They asked me to come with a group of powerful youngsters in order to negotiate with them, and I need your help. Just please help me in negotiating with those people and getting out my children, please. Will you?
We will talk about it then decide.
Oh, wait.
What help her?
Boys, continue. Start from the beginning. You're not giving chance to everybody.
Okay.
Out of character, Diana is tough. Aswathaman is overlayingly dominating and not allowing anybody to speak. Ritan, Guru, Mohit, please take up your shares. Remain silent for some time. Yeah, Mohit.
Oh, okay, sir. So, friends, let's decide about should we help the old lady or not. I think she's telling the story and we should help our elders, so we should definitely offer ideas.
Yeah, Mohit, I do think the same. We can just help her.
So okay, Guru. I also thought the same because main thing Stanley know him, and I think we can go and ask the help from Dakshin. So he knows a lot of things, and he really knows few things for help. And I think we can go and ask help from him. Come on.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
So Dakshin, wake up. So you have been sleeping for a 1 day at least. So you have to give us an idea. So you have to give us idea.
There's an old woman there. Two of her sons and two of her grandchildren are in police custody. That's what you want to say to me, right?
Yeah.
I knew this before. You sit down, sit down.
Out of character, Dakshin has got the tendency of sleeping very wisely during the sleep. just like his working character. Yeah, resume. இதை நீங்க சொல்லிருக்கணும். இதுல narrative சொல்லிருக்கணும்.
Sir, I have also sleeping wisely during sleep.
Yeah, speaking wisely during sleep. Speaking. One calculation. Speaking wisely. அத விளக்குனீங்க. Speaking தான் அது.
Sir, sleeping. Sir, sleeping during sleep.
Did you walk your time?
Well, that is
Thank you.
Speak on top.
Yeah, so do you wait? Okay, let's discuss. Come on. Do you have a tape recorder? Yes, somehow. So what we'll do is we'll record all our ideas and solutions in this tape recorder, and we'll send it to the magistrate. And I know what exactly happened to them, why they are inside custody. Do you want to know?
I don't think so. Or else, yeah, come on, let's just go and check them. So if we know, we'll be able to give a lot of solutions.
Look, it's 1974 now. There's a lot of unemployment, a lot of economic crisis, and there's a lot of things that are deviating the country from its usual path. So that's why some of those people were protesting against the government, and the government bribed the policemen, not exactly the government, some of the politicians out there, they bribed the policemen, and they asked them to arrest those people without any proper reason. So that's what actually happened. Okay, so now if you all have solutions, like remember in MS Living sessions we had a concept of idea bank, right? And we have some ideas and solutions from that. We'll record it here and we'll send it to the magistrate, claiming that, like looking for proof and all that stuff. Shall we start?
Yeah, let's start the recording in 13 seconds.
We are running out of time to start. Go, start. Yeah. More PP, come on. Okay. Yeah, Nitin, you
So
start.
yes, Nathan. So I'm starting the solutions. So I hope this is recording, and this is Ritin Nitish, and I am BCom final year, and I'm having a solution, and this is from my idea pad. So it's like my idea pad's idea is going to visit the panchayat in my village, and so I'm using this as an idea. So my idea is like this old lady is from a village, as everyone know, and she should just get the help from a nearby village, which is really a beautiful village. Every crops are like fully greenish, and they will be giving justice, and it will be a great work. And the panchayat, as everyone know, there is only truth, no lies, and no corruption will be going on there. So I think the old lady and everyone else can go and get help from the panchayat, and we will get the true and the correct solution from the police officers. Continue to the next person.
Since the policemen are not responding properly, we could ask the CBI to take over the case and solve it, or else we can hire an advocate and file a case in the court so that the innocent people might get justice for the
Next slide, Mohit.
next slide.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohit Sendokumar. I'm from Victoria Glory College. So today I'm going to say some solutions. So my solutions are that we could tell this problem to the public, and I ask some certain individuals about their certain ideas, and we can use them to our advantage. And we could also train to become police officers, and we could use the power of the law to help us in this problem. Uh, if we all train to be police officers, since training to become a police officer is hard, there's a higher probability that most of us become officers, or we can only have one person trained to be a police officer. We can also gain some high-paying jobs and make some money, and use the money in some ways to benefit in the rescue of the captives. We can get enough people and start a protest, and we can also file a case about the captives and get a great defense lawyer. On to the next person.
Well, it's 3.5 minutes remaining, excluding all the other discussions.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're finishing exactly when it comes to 60.
Yes. Come on, bro. Come on.
Press.
Oh,
It's understandable.
come on, bro. Stop.
Come on, come on, Guru. 2.5 minutes left.
Understand the policy and law by the government, and if the police officers don't understand or don't take our opinions, we can just go to the CBI so that they can be continued by the next person.
Yeah. So now I'm MS Lakshan Siddharth and I'm studying microbiology. I'm a student in I'm BSc microbiology basically. And I have certain solutions. That is number one, speaking to the higher authorities. Number two, sending a tape recorded voice. That's what we are doing right now. We are sending a tape recorded audio to the magistrate, hoping that you listen to it. The third solution which I have is making them aware of the reasons for the protest. We'll make the higher authorities the reasons exactly why we're protesting, because this situation, it's not a secret. Everyone knows about it, why the protests are happening. So we'll present the economic and political flaws which are happening right now and how the police are taking advantage of it. Look, the cops are like gods to us. Definitely, we worship the cops, but there are some of them who take advantage of it and who misuse their powers. So we are encountering those type of cops right now. So we'll make the higher authorities aware of all this. The next one is explaining the police malpractices to the higher authorities and taking it to a legal level of negotiation. Then, when we were young, we all were in sessions called MSc sessions, where we had a lot of psychological
MS evening
therapies.
sessions, 1970s.
It's a parallel universe.
Parallel universe.
That's the galaxy is sort of. So, using all those therapies, we are mentally fit, and we'll take some ideas from our idea pad, and that's what we are doing right now. And the idea of these sessions must also spread to everyone. That's why we are including this in the record as well. And we'll even give some therapies to the police if they really want to get psychologically well again. And we'll making them understand the flaws which they have committed. Over to the next person.
So good evening, everyone. I'm Ashwathaman and I've studied BSc Botany in.
Last 1 minute.
I'm studying BSc Botany in Victoria Glory Arts and Science College, and these are some of my solutions. That this sounds more like an undercover agent, but it's not totally undercover agent. And what is it is, let's go to small shops and here and there and get some money and use that to make some shops nearby. In the sake of selling things, we can take get glances of about the information about this case, and we'll try seizing the chance of the police solving the case and move it towards the CBI and train ourselves to be CBI and get our hands on the case, solve it, get an advocate, and once we have solved this puzzle case, can use the advocate that we took and boom, and we have solved this.
Good job. Time up. Finish.
Wonderful job, team.
They have taken
Thank
17
you,
minutes.
friends.
Thank you, friends.
Mohit,
well done, team.
Thank
Yes,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.
Mohit, please put it in the chat that Team Ratan finished the first round in 17 minutes and 34 seconds.
Okay, sir.
Very nice PPT, Mohit.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Picture perfect idea. I will give more feedback later.
Yes.
Okay. So let us take up the performance circling right now. But some of the bulleted points I would like to say so that you can feel special. Sutaman gets merit for his involvement in acting. Guru Prasanna gets good merit in his improvisation and commitment. Sanjay Bhaskar gets his merit performing well in the direct sessions, contrasting to the performance of his online sessions. And Mohit has got for the wonderful PPT preparation with the pictures involved in it. Those were very enjoyable pictures. Yes. So, it was done by Aswathaman. Okay, so then that mark again goes to Aswathaman. Mohit's extra points for his involvement in the teamwork and also in the presentation. Ritan's extra mark for the leadership and Dakshin Siddharth's extra mark for this overall coordination. The entire Air Universe concert was by Dakshin Siddharth and the performance conducting 2 rehearsals in the 40 minutes of preparation time.
Thank you,
So,
sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
friends.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends.
So a lot of reasons for giving lots of mark. A very pleasing and real wonderful way of presenting the first round. They are standing very, very strong. Okay, so more
Thank you,
feedback later.
friends.
Thank you. More feedback later. Now, Team Civi, how are you going to perform? Like you can keep the chairs backward.
Yes.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the camera in a little bit of a different angle here. Huh? ரொம்ப அவசரம். Boys and girls, this online members, this angle is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is exclusively for team Ritan, team Civi Aditya. So the chairs are pinning stack பண்ணி I'll adjust even more so that they will feel comfortable online. Good job. Very nice.
Thank you.
No,
Fist bump, sir.
எல்லாம் இல்ல இடையில சிபி டெஸ்ட்
அதான் சார், அதெல்லாம் include.
அதெல்லாம் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணாம உங்க பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் மட்டும் பாருங்க.
Sir, actually, in the PPT, one more advanced animation. Sir,
இல்ல நல்லா இருந்துச்சு பிபிடி. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது வந்து அந்த பங்களால அந்த பிக்சர்ஸ் போட்டுருந்தது அதுதான். This is very nice.
Plus, I mentioned that not to appreciate just one more
Special because of Ritan the captain. Big hands for him. Especially Guinness spelling எழுதிருக்கு. Especially எழுதிருக்கு. நல்ல வேளை காமிக்கல. சரி பரவாயில்லை. It's okay. Especially Ritan captain ஆமா அவனுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கிரெடிட் ஆமாடா. அவனுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்றா வழக்கம்.
சார் கிளாப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார். Thank you, Aswathaman.
Preparation டைம் இல்ல.
Sir, prepare பண்ணல sir. எல்லாமே
உட்கார்ந்து கதை பேசிட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
நாங்க நீங்க கேமரா செட் பண்றதுக்கு பேசுறோம். நாங்க ரெடி.
Siri will be starting first. Siri will come to sit. Stage க்கு போறீங்களா?
இல்ல சார், நான் மட்டும் ஒரே ரெக்வெஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ்.
நான் ஸ்டேஜுக்கு போகும்போது சொல்லு நான் கேமரா.
நான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவாங்க.
அப்படியா? Kalpita, Balaji, ready? Angled up.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I start sharing my screen, sir?
நீ proceeding start பண்ணுமா?
Okay, sir.
Give a very good start. இங்க எல்லாருமே 6 பேருமே அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு யூனிக் கிரெடிட்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டாங்க இந்த டீம்ல. அதான் நீங்களும் வாங்கணும். இல்லாட்டி அவங்க 20 மார்க் அஹெட்டா இருக்காங்க. நீங்க 20 மார்க் கம்மியா இருக்கீங்க. ஸோ லீடர் அப்படிங்கிறது முன்னாடி எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம் கொடுக்க All right. So Kalpita, Sri, yeah, we are able to see the PPT.
Okay, sir.
It's blank. I mean, are you yet to click anything, Kavita?
Sir, the red button is there, sir. I have switched to PPT, sir. Now I'll stop sharing and again share, sir.
இல்லைக்கண்ணா ஒரு கிரே கலர் ஸ்க்ரீன் மட்டும் தான் தெரியும், வேற எதுவும் தெரியும்.
Sir, I think there is a spice in it. Full of spice in the black color.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Stanley's Bangla, we're able to see. Ready? Fine, so sit back and enjoy Team Civi's presentation. 3, 2, 1, go.
My name is India Vitan, and our college name is, did you find it? Our college name?
Yes, sir. I have been studying about your college, and you have always been faced up in the newspaper. I think your college is pioneer something, sir?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, pioneer. Tell the full name of the college with your golden notes.
Our college name is Pioneer Unicorn Arts College.
Oh, wow!
Super CB.
Thank you, ma'am. Our college has many things that our college has common news. This very famous college in Chennai. The 100 of students are there. They can study easily. They are saying to their friends, and they are also coming and put the admissions and come. They are enjoying the class. Continued by Kalpita.
Great start, great start.
Well done, CB.
A warm welcome to. Okay, sir. A warm welcome to Stanley's Bangla. Right is right, even if everyone is against it, and wrong is wrong, even if everyone is for it. So that's the base of our presentation, and it's over to the next person to explain what the presentation is going to be. Before that, we have decided it as two phases. The first phase is going to be the presentation, that is giving the solution, and it is mainly focused on 2021. The second phase is about the skit, and if time permits, we'll enact it or else we will narrate it. And it is mainly focused upon 1965. Over to the next person.
One thing is one about present here. As applicant has said, currently in Chennai we are in a city known as, we are in a place known as Stanley area. So that's where this Stanley Bangla is located. We are as a team, we study in Pioneer Unicorn Arts and College, and I am Vishwa from BSc Chemistry Department. And what we are going to do in this Stanley Bangla is, we are here for case study. Sir, I'm like we are here for a case study. Each of us are from distinctive department, and we have separate projects to be done, and we are here for a case study. We want to be a secret place where we will be easily able to carry on with our case study and get more information and authentic information about it. But there's something happening here on the third day. So it's the fourth day here, and today we are feeling something that is odd here. We are facing something, and disclaimer. Sir, out of character, there is a disclaimer, sir. We are actually performing the skit at the end, sir. That is a flashback where the older lady meets up with the students of Pioneer Unicorn College, and that's going to be a flashback. Once we complete our presentation, we are going to give it a flashback. And we have actually segregated our team into two parts. There is 4 people are going to give the problems and the solution, and the other 2 are, other 2 or 3 people, they are going to speak about some other things, and that is going to be a surprise. We will only reveal it in the presentation. So now let's get on with the first problem, and that's going to be said by Balaji.
So the first name is Suresh, and he's a son, and his age is 43 years. And his problem was a drug distributor. He distributes the drugs in a drugstore, and his and the cause of the problem is influenced by relations. So due to some negligence of his relations, so he started doing drugs and all, and that due to that, police arrest him for false arrest and wrong imprisonment. So for the solution for getting out of Suresh out of this is a verbal explanation, sir.
Okay.
And the next one is the for the next continue by next person.
So,
Yeah.
yes.
Police brutality. You continue. You continue.
Yes. So now I'm going to say about the police brutality, and that time in 1960, we already mentioned the timeline is 1960s now. So in 1960s, the force of police was really different. Like they were all corrupted officers that time. So I'm going to explain about gist of all that. So that time in the the police brutality was an offense. The police brutality was an offense on those days, and it was all because of the violation that is all taking place of an individual. And there are lots of types that this police brutality were segregated that will be explained in the forthcoming slides. And this one was done by some police officers because not every police officers were corrupted and having this one. Only some people have this. So this one only if like the politicians or they have given some bribe, or some the people who have been arrested, they have given some bribe. All of the person's relatives who have only those people are bribed and are corrupted in that time. And this was by there was law enforcement officers who were there to correct all those corrupted officers. So what we understand from this is we need lots of force lots of forces to redeem all those corrupted officers. So it comes under police corruption, and they are just misusing all those freedom that we have given to liberty that is given to the police officers. In the next slide, they'll be saying about what are all the police brutality types and what are all we have taken. So there are lots, sir, but we have taken 3 exclusively for all the 3 problems. Sir, I'll be explaining by Kalpita.
Sir, good explanation.
Please, sir. Kalpita for 1 second, sir. Not a small narration, sir. So this excerpt is from Times of India, sir. It's a very authentic excerpt and it's a report, sir. And that's why we have mentioned it.
Yes.
For the first problem, we are going to give 2 sets of solutions, sir. Once Kalpita completes saying about the types, once she completes elaborating on it, Balaji, myself, and one of my teachers are going to give 2 sets of solutions, sir, from his journal and from a case study that I have made like 1 year ago, sir, in my academic work. So once Kalpita completes, we will do with these things.
Yeah.
Continue, sir.
So now I would like to explain about the Pioneer Unicorn Arts College, and we are the students from Pioneer Unicorn Arts College. This was, as Mitra said, this was an article from Times of India. Here we have taken 3 police brutalities that were existed in 1960s, and the cause of why the police were like that. The first one is false arrest and wrong imprisonment, wrongful search and seizure, racial discrimination. So these are the 3 things that police used commonly as brutalities, and we have chosen as sir said, it can be creative. We have chosen it as a flashback, and we have an incident that is behind everything.
false arrest and wrong imprisonment. The problem of the first person, that is Suresh, he was falsely arrested and he was wrongly imprisoned. It was because of some other person that he is arrested. Wrongful search and seizure. They wanted to complete the case as soon as possible and as quickly as possible. So that's why the second person that we are going to mention in the second slide, that is how the second person was arrested. The third one is racial discrimination. Even now we have racial discrimination, and imagine in 1960s it was everybody there was everywhere the racial discrimination was prevailing, and people were hardly able to overcome all those. So the third person who is suffering, and the third reason for the person who was arrested is racial discrimination. Over to the next person.
So the Suresh, while finding the solution, we found this journal, and in this journal, there was. So the same. Should I continue, Mitra?
Yes, sir, I can go.
Okay, Mitra. So, and his journal contains the statements such as this. So we find this very interesting by reading this, and due to this, we found out that he is also a drug addict, and he also researched maybe before, and he may be exposed to drug, and but that is entered into his journal, and due to that he started doing making drugs and making sick. So these are these are the entries of the Suresh journal that we found. And over to the next person.
Sir, I would like to add a concept. So, friends, this is the one of the.
Super planning, wonderful planning. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, sir.
So this is the record that we found from his journal, but sometimes people like police officers could just say that anyone could have written this, but this is written in a special pen that was only available with Suresh, and I would like to read it very fast. The date is 7/7/1965, 4:25 p.m. Tuesday. The thing is disappointment. Today I came to know that Surendra, his friend, who was actually was a drug addict, but instead of arresting him, the police officers arrested Suresh. Surendra is addicted to drugs. If I convey this to people, a dramatic change might happen. So I have planned to visit a medical shop secretly and I have to buy methadone, buprenorphine, and other things. Definitely tomorrow he will come here. So within the time of buy this using my pocket money, and I will hand this to him for this well-being. And that's why we have mentioned the proof which can help people like drug addicts to get out of drugs. One of the best examples is a smoker in smoking the business cigarette, you will be having some harmful chemicals known as carcinogens. So that's why this is the structure of a cigar, and we have some carcinogens. There are three main harmful chemicals involved in it: nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. Tar is one of the chemicals that is making the person to get addicted to the drug. And that's why like this, each and every drug is having one particular thing that could make it, other than a rehabilitation center, one thing could make them get out of the drug. Like the smokers can get out using nicotine patches, which could just stop their addiction. And like that, in this proof, we have mentioned some of the treatment medications like methadone, then buprenorphine, then naltrexone, including a new long medication, and other things for smoking and alcohol.
You got 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Yes, sir. So this is the solution for the first problem, sir. We are going to submit this proof to the police officer. Now we would like to get into the second problem, and people will give their solutions.
Immediately. Speaking, you will get it.
Oh, no, 1 minute, sir.
Why is it like you're having too many things? My friends are remaining silent.
No, sir, they are going to give you solutions, sir.
So the content richness is really good. I really appreciate vast richness in the content. Good job.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
So we are getting into the second problem, sir, and we would like to give the main reason for the second problem. Today, to be honest, only today I came to know about this. That is DDT. I studied it in biology. Today we came to know about this. The full form is dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. So it's actually an insecticide that is used by farmers. Sir?
Come and stand like this.
Sorry, sir. It's an insecticide that is usually used by farmers to prevent pests and insects to get into the crop. So today, as we studied about the human influences on the environment, we came to know about this. It was actually invented in 1874 and it was first discovered during the World War II. So during the World War II, it was used with great success to kill some insects. But later on, sometimes it turned to be more dangerous. And in 1972, USA actually banned it, and it didn't just.
1965.
Sir?
1965.
Oh, okay, sir. Today in my.
It got banned in 1966.
Oh, okay, sir. In my book, I found it as 1972, sir. But only in 2004, this DDT was banned in the whole worldwide, and that's why we didn't. But some farmers in 1965 they used this in India. They didn't know that by that time a close friend of him was arrested due to this, and the solution could be given by methods. Thank you so much, sir. My presentation, sir.
Good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஈக்குவலா கைது பாக்கி யாருக்குமே கைது அதான் டெஸ்டிஷன்ல சத்தம் இல்ல நீ ஒண்ணு சொல்லு எவ்வளவு பெருசா கை வச்சுட்டு சத்தம் கரெக்டா வராது எதா இருந்தாலும் அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நல்ல கிளாப் கொடுக்கும் ஒன்னா தட்டுங்க இல்லை இப்படியா தட்டுங்க சரி அப்புறம் யாருமே கிளாப் பண்ணாம இருக்கேன் இல்ல எல்லாரும் கிளாப் பண்ணுவாங்க.
The first I'll start off my solution. The first problem, my solution is to make the police understand about Suresh.
So you got a total of 2 problems.
3 problems. Everyone is going to listen.
Okay.
So first thing, finish the problems first and
Your solutions.
Solutions after this.
Okay, sure. No. You actually what is done.
So first, we make police understand about Suresh what he made. As we researched about the evidences, through that we found the journal and description and writing he has. For that, we proceeded with that also. If they did not accept it, we go with that. We have some executive force by law enforcement officers. We proceed with them and we explain the situation to them, and definitely no one will be corrected in that, sir, because it is a very good case and they'll definitely support us for this problem and we'll make him out, sir. And for the second problem, my solution is to ask what happened first to Robert Roy, sir, so that he can explain about it. And it is not an offense to use DDT, sir. The farmer did not know about it, sir. Since it is in the early stages, they can't have the knowledge of about science and all.
Science and stuff, yeah.
So they can't able to know about the product. Instead of knowing it, they used it. So in that case, we can show the evidence whatever how much amount they used and how through that how they can get benefits around, sir. So you can easily take it out, sir. These are my solutions.
Well done, very nice. Good improvement by University. One of the best stage presentations without fear by University.
Very well done, Ka.
Yeah, so
Well
he has
done.
given his presentation. Then, next.
Thank you, Balaji. Good evening, everyone. So I am
Can I
BSc.
give up the camera part?
So I am BSc Computer Science. So I'm going to tell about Ramveer. So he is also a person who's arrested in this jail, and also he is one of the family members of the lady. So here I'm going to tell about him, and also I'm going to give the solution for him. The first solution, the first about Ramveer and his relation with the lady's grandson, and he was 23 years old, and also he's one of the college students. Now he was doing his college. So the problem is he's disobedience, and also he's without self-discipline. He don't know how to behave with teacher, and for what the police arrested him is due to racial discrimination. Here comes the police go to
arrest in college, actually here the confusion made. In which he was studying, they got two Ramvis. So since that second Ramvis father was very rich, he actually made this case so little, and he never made his children to come into jail, and he safeguarded his children. So this one for his both fathers like Suresh and Ramdas. When we go for more search, we actually found that these two persons are really good. And when we go for Ramde's book, we went to the college and we spoke to the person. And also we spoke to many persons who got affected by the racial discrimination. Most of the teachers were
Racial
discrimination. Most of the teachers were affected. So that time we actually come across lot of things, and also we come to know that lot of students are witness for us, because in that point of view no one can speak anything due to the money bag. So that now we got through lot of proofs, and we made every student so confident as a witness. So this was as if we submit this proof to the police, sure the police will come to know that Ramdev was not a true person who actually disobedient to teacher. There was another Ramdev in his college who's actually studying in the same class, who's a real Ramdev who actually wanted to arrest. So that is his problem.
Great presentation. Time is 20 minutes.
Just 2 minutes, sir.
No, I haven't given any extra time for these guys, both people. Kalpita, it's already 20 minutes, Kalpita.
Sir, can we get 2 minutes extension, sir?
Team Ratan, you can discuss and let them, and if they are getting this extension, you people are also getting an extension of the proportionate extra time that you've given. So by which means you can refurbish and you can present something in that time too. Provided, if you don't want them to extend, you can very well say it will be stopped immediately. So Team Ratan, it is your decision. 17 minutes and 34 seconds are given for your performance, but these people have already taken 20 minutes, so they have taken 3 minutes extra. So you people can have a 1 minute discussion and give the sanctioning for Team CBI. Go ahead, one.
Okay, sir. So, can I start with my opinion, sir, and after that, every one of them can go, sir.
Absolutely.
So, sir, my opinion is, sir, I hope that today only they came and said that because of few problems, now only they mostly made the ideas, sir. And Mitra also said it. You said that we didn't mostly make much of an ideology, sir. But so I would say, sir, because they till now, sir, they have done really good, sir, and. They went out and they discussed a lot, sir, but we just rehearsal, sir, but they just start from scratch to like this, sir. So for me, sir, I would say I would give them the time, sir. This is my opinion, sir.
Mohit, I want to, okay, thank you. Mohit, I want to listen from you. We don't have time to listen from everybody. I have consensus of Mohit's speech.
Okay, sir. So I think we should give them the time, sir, because if we give them the time, then it has to be fair that we also get a. Wait, no, never mind. I think we should give them time because I want them to finish their presentation because it was really good and very interesting to listen to, sir.
Okay. Agreed. Yes, sir. Agreed. Guru, agreed.
Yes, sir.
Say your logic of giving the permission. What a personal opinion, sir.
Sir, I too think the same, sir. 2 to 3 minutes is fine, sir, for me. If 2 to 3 minutes, it's extended to 5 to 6 minutes, then there will be a problem, sir. For me, 2 to 3 minutes is okay, sir.
Sir, I'm asking you, how much is the ceiling time? Kalpita and Mitra proposed for 2 extra minutes. So how much is your sanctioning? How much can be given? Give me a concrete time.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 minutes, sir.
Okay, now Dakshin Siddharth. Guru Prasanna has given 3 minutes and not more than that.
Yes.
Now you got to tell me, what's your plan going to be in your team, when that exists? 5 minutes are given. They have finished 20 minutes. You finished at 17:34.
Yes, sir.
So 2:30 other side and 3. 5:30 you have. So how are you going to use this 5:30?
Sir, so actually we also have a backup plan, sir, that if we finish all the content within the stipulated time, then we'll have some extra minutes, sir. In that we could give we started off the news story, sir. So we could conclude the news show.
So that will take you.
Yes, sir. All the conclusive parts, sir. The old women coming and thanking them, and we give a conclusion in the news channel.
Okay, so Sanjay, is there anything to add? So Team Britain is giving you the kind gesture of 3 minutes extra.
I agree, sir.
Navita and Balaji, are you okay with the time? 3 minutes is the.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, team.
Right. So are you ready, Kalpita? Receive the time.
Yes, sir.
3 minutes. And you are completing. And immediately after that, even before the feedback that is to be given to you, Team Ritan Nitish will again get themselves staged up and they will use 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Exactly. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Yes. 5:30. Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Planning time group clear.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
5:30.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Go. Resume, Kalpita.
So the third person is named as Rahul Rai, and he is the grandson of the 67-year-old woman. And the age of this person is 28 years old. His problem is he always want to be rich, famous, and he wants to be popular. In any means, he would either prefer a negative thing rather than positive because it would influence more people than if he did positive things. And the case in which he was arrested is the usage of illegal usage of DTT, which my teammate mentioned before, and it was wrong judgment by the police officers. And the person who was arrested should be the friend of Rahul Rai, since the person who actually consumed DTT gave money to Rahul Rai, and everything were published in public. Rahul Rai felt really happy that he is known to everyone. Though it is negative, he is happy that he is known to everyone. So that is his problem. And this was because it was his mother's wish him to be popular, and he want to be recognized by people. And his mother was especially a traitor, and she was later not found anywhere. So since it was the last wish of his mother, he fulfilled that also. The reason why police arrested him is wrongful search and seizure. Instead of catching hold of the person who really consumed DTT, they catch hold of Rahul Rai because they were also corrupted, and Rahul Rai accepted the bribe. The solution is that Balaji, senior most person, he has an aunt who is also a police officer, and she belongs to the same place where this entire scenario is happening. So, with the influence of her, with the influence of Balaji aunt, we shall provide the evidence that he is not the person. He is not the actual person who consumed, because he himself can confess if he give more money than what he did, and later we'll make him understand what actual worth of money is. Over to the next person.
Yeah, next person. Come on. 2 minutes. Hey,
So the next, so I'm going to tell about the next person. So the next, Kalpita, did you change Kalpita? Oh, okay. So his name is Ranveer, and this was a grandson, and his age is 23 years, and his problem is a disordered self-discipline. So he always bunked classes, and he did not respect the teachers about where he went, and he refuses to tell about the reasons about him, and the police caught him due to racial discrimination, and the problem and the solution of getting him out is verbal explanation. Over to the next person. Come on, GB.
I hope you all enjoyed the presentation and the conclusion. Thank you for that. Come on, Sri. Hope we enjoyed the presentations of the conclusions.
Super CB, well done CB.
Very well done, Sibi.
All right, so 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, so we will conclusion. So 3 minutes, but it remains the same. 5:35. I'll give the feedback a little later for you. அதுக்கு முடிச்சிடலாம். முடிச்சிட்டு இவங்க feedback கொடுத்தா rating marking கொடுத்தா. So the second round call will be on the focus. ஏன்னா ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் எழுதி வச்சிருக்கேன். அதை எக்ஸ்டென்சிவா பொறுமையா பேசணும். இவங்க முடிச்சிடலாம். But well done, Kalpita, Balaji, Mitra, Malvashi, Siddhi, Brinda, Vishnupriya. Superb planning.
Thank you very much, sir.
Well done, friends.
Thank you.
அதாவது டிடிடி எல்லாம் பழைய கான்செப்ட் எடுத்து எக்ஸப்ட்ஸ் அப்புறம் உண்மையான ஒரு இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பேஜ்ல போட்டுருக்கிறது போட்டு டைம்ஸ் ஆஃப் இந்தியால ஒருத்தரோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் நேம் வச்சு போட்டுருக்கீங்க வில் ஸ்பீக் அபவுட் தட் உங்களை பத்தி எழுதியிருக்கேன் அதை பார்த்தேன் அதனால தான் நான் போய் பார்த்தேன் பக்கத்துல போய் பார்த்தேன் ஓகே உட்காருங்க ஓகே now we are switching gears and coming back to team Rhythm for the wonderful gesture of giving the team 3 minutes extra. They have 2 minutes and 30 seconds to cover up because they were stopped at 17 minutes and 34 seconds and they still have 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the other side and the extra time that was given 3 minutes. So 5:35 is given to them. Yeah, Ritan?
Sir, can I just ask what's next from Dakshina, sir?
No planning time is given.
Ritan, I'll give a narration, you'll understand.
Planning time வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிட்டேன் இப்போ எந்த debriefing time கிடையாது time is straight away getting started 3 2 1 go.
So good evening everyone and thank you sir for giving us 5 minutes extra. So what we are going to do now is we are coming back to the set of the news show and what we are going to do is we'll be interacting with the audience and ask them what they have learned from the show, which like the presentation which we made, sir. Like the story, we made a documentary sort of thing and showed them what exactly happened, sir. And we were actually actors, sir. You're not the real people, sir. We actually acted the roles of the college students, sir. So we'll ask the audience about what they think about the evil last show and all that, sir. We'll give a concluding remarks. Shall we start, sir?
Sure.
3 2 1 go. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us. And you saw whatever we had displayed in our documentary, and we really hope you liked it. So in 1975, as we know, there was a national emergency, and whenever there's a national emergency, things do not function as usual. We don't have access to fundamental rights for some time. We have a lot of different crises in our country. We have unemployment, and there are high government officials who are placed at really high posts who take advantage of this and who try to suppress the common people. So that's what we were showing to you all. So now we have a couple of audience members with us. And first of all, thank you, Guru sir, for taking some of your time and joining us. We're really happy to have you here.
It's my pleasure, young boy.
Thank you, sir. And we have another chief guest, Mr. Mohit, who has joined right now from Skypeace in the United States of America. So, Mr. Mohit, can you hear us?
Yes, perfectly.
So, like you had some issues, technical issues, and you had some work in your company. That's why you came a bit late today. So, sir, what was your biggest learning from your experience of helping the old woman? What was your biggest learning?
I learned that they should help them. I also think that they should be. I liked how they were very creative with their solutions, and they had no boundaries. And I really liked how they helped the woman without thinking for a second about not helping her, and how they helped their elders.
Thank you so much, sir. And we have another member from the audience. His name is Nitesh. Nitesh, sir, you have raised your hand. You want to say something to us?
So thank you for the opportunity, sir. And actually, my name is Ritan Nitish, sir, and this is the first person who is calling me as Nitesh, sir, and I really like it, sir. And my learning is, sir, it's like.
That's because we recently read in the newspaper that one serial killer was in the name Nitesh, and we got so obsessed with the name and we had. Very sorry, sir.
Thank you, sir. And the learning which I learned is.
Learning, we say learning.
Good.
So the thing is, in the old time, as in my idea pad, the old time, the panchayats and all, it was like courts and stuff. So whatever the panchayat leaders say, they will be obeying those things. So I learned that thing from this good story, and this is, I hope this is a real story in the past too. And this is what I learned. Panchayat is we have to trust everyone, and panchayat is really good.
Thank you, Nitesh, sir. We have another member in the audience named Mr. Bhaskar. Come on, sir. Tell.
Even though in those times they were corrupted people, beside them, they were honest judges and CBI officers who have done their jobs really good. So this acknowledges those people's honesty and.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. And let's go to the last person, Ms. Ashwatthama. Quickly tell what you learned from our document.
Yes, thank you, sir. Today we learned that ancient times we also had corrupted, but even though we had honest people and helping-hearted people and people who care about others, and something they taught us that anything is possible. They never held their horses anytime, even they know it's very hard, and they were seen and they trained to be CBIs and they accomplished it.
Yes. So thank you to Ritan sir, thank you to all the people who have joined us in the Q&A session. So I'd like to conclude by stating that corruption is everywhere. If someone says that there's no corruption in the United States of America, there's no corruption in the United Kingdom, they're wrong. There is corruption everywhere. But the thing is, the corruption in certain countries is way more than the other countries. But corruption is everywhere. So what we have as Indians, we have to acknowledge the corruptions that we have here, and we have to grow up, and we have to make sure that we don't indulge in corruption. Because here, if we get a tender to build 10 houses, we steal 9 and we build 1. But we don't realize that if we steal all the 10 houses, then we won't be able to steal more houses in the future. But that they steal 2 houses, they build 7, and they keep doing that, so that doesn't make an impact. So we have to keep in mind that we are the younger generation, we have to grow up and stop corruption, and we have to erase all the bad names and all the negative comments and impacts and impressions on our country. So as youngsters, we have to unite. So are you all with me?
Yes, yeah. We are. Yes. So I will be standing looking at the camera. These people are actually properly positioned. So you take the from the opposite from the.
Oh my God.
Right, so Dakshin Siddharth finished the presentation speaking about corruption. But actually, corruption is a good topic to be ended about. We will speak about how this ending has been paying justice for them. But then what we have to discuss more is about the mysterious event that has happened in Stanley's bungalow. That's what is more important here. That's what is more important here. So the corruption and the events of the the problems that were discussed by Team Sibi. Now I'll come back to Team Ratan a little bit later. Now Sibi, the biggest highlight is his initiation and his animation in speaking. Good job.
Well done, Sibi.
Mitra, her highlights are excerpts. Yeah. For Mitra, the highlights are excerpts of the document and the tenacity and speed that she had while explaining her own part and supporting to the other people and balancing all the other things. So that overall management was good.
Well done, Mitra.
The credit for Vishnupriya is the expressive way of presentation. Previously, Vishnupriya used to have a lot of fetish words like actually and all that, and she used to take a lot of time for going from one word to the other word. But these days, she has improved a lot, and her dedication in her body language while speaking. So for that, the credit has been given for Vishnupriya.
Well done, Vishnupriya.
For the team, a special bonus has been given for involving the racial discrimination, which was vulnerably available in the 1960s, which is the timeline that this team has taken. So there is a bonus special point. I have mentioned here special points for racial discrimination.
Anna, super.
So the credits for Balaji, the highlights about Balaji was his level of involvement, and the content richness had its own contribution by Balaji. During the team discussion, I had been observing Balaji was giving a lot of points. And also during the presentation, he kept himself very cool and he's really speaking on a pretty much organized basis these days. So that's about Balaji.
Well done, Balaji Anna.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Well done, Balaji.
As far as Mirdubhashini goes, the credit is given for her presentation style, and this is one of her best, although it was only for about 1 minute and 2 minutes and 21 seconds. She was really able to speak with a lot of commitment, and there was a very good improvement. And the warmth and comfort, like Dakshin Siddharth speaks, there is a warmth and comfort when he speaks, without any stage fear, without any jitteriness. Aswathaman speaks without any, jitteriness. He likes speaking. That warmth and comfort was seen for the first time in Mirdubhashini.
Very well done,
Mirdubhashini.
And as far as Brinda goes, Brinda is like a silent Shikhar Dhawan in Indian cricket team. She can score anytime at any given point of line. She always scores very much faster. And her commitment in explaining things about racial discrimination and the solutions for the second problem that was given to her was in her own style, very elegant and very enterprising in terms of expression. Good job.
Well done, Brinda.
Last but by no means the least, Kalpita's extra vigor in terms of preparing the presentation during the team early stage of team discussion. I think it was in the 3rd minute she started preparing the PPT. Exactly when they were making the presentation, I was plumb pleased with the kind of the involvement that they have, and the PPT was really very effective, very professional, and involving the excerpts and preparing the journal. The monopolistic way of having a journal writing and creative idea. All this was really wonderful. I really enjoyed the planning of your team. So Kalpita had made very good presentation following the time. Kalpita seems to be very careful and choosy after the slump that she made in the scientist interception. If I am right, that's my observation. I might be wrong too. Am I right, Kalpita? You are very doubly careful after that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
She was the person who said we'll do the presentation first, then we'll go for speaker. She actually planned that after speech we'll go for presentation first. So she only said that we'll go for presentation because that was the downfall that we had in scientist intersection activity. So that we go for the solutions first, then if we have remaining time we'll go for
அது visible இருந்துச்சு அதனால தான் நான் கண்டுபிடிச்சு சொன்னேன். That was very visible.
Yes.
Glad that you took that smart outlet. That's a good one. So Kalpita, I really appreciate you for the PPT and the speed in the presentation.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, friends.
Main hobbies and the specialties, but we thought that they wouldn't.
No, let's be trying for that. Okay, so both teams have finished in 23 minutes. And glad point is that the commands are not at all used. there wasn't any scope of the command that has not been used during the presentation. Actually, I was designing, and to be very frank with you, 2-3 தடவை வந்து நான் அந்த கமாண்டை யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டியது வரும்னு நினைச்சேன். சிபிஆர்கன் டீம்ல கண்டிப்பா சிபிக்கு அகைன்ஸ்டா யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டியது வரும். ரித்தரோட டீம்ல அஸ்வத்தாமனுக்கு அகைன்ஸ்டா யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டியது வரும்னு டெஃபினட்டா நான் யோசிச்சேன். I am saying things out from the chest, but நீங்க அதுக்கு ஸ்கோப்பே இல்லாம பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. I really appreciate it. For people like Sanjay Bhaskar, Mridu Bharashini, டைரக்டா வந்ததுனால தான் அவங்களால இந்த பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் கொடுக்க முடிஞ்சது. But in any case, so let's go to the very important point. Individually, over score பண்ண points நான் சொல்றேன், then you give me the graph.
Yes.
Okay. We will start with Guru Prasanna in team Rhythm. Guru Prasanna, maximum mark is 50. ஒரு பர்சனுக்கு எதுக்கு என்ன இவ்வளவு நல்ல மேக்ஸ் எழுதுறாரு போல இருக்கு மைண்ட்ல போ நான் நமக்கு போல இருக்கு என்ன ஒண்ணு நைட் தூங்க இன்னும் பெற்றதுல இருந்து எங்க அக்காவுக்கு வழியே தெரியல. ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் அதுக்கு வந்துகிட்டு உடம்புல, அதாவது எங்க அக்காவுக்கு மட்டும்தான் உச்சந்தலையில இருந்து பாதம் வரைக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு இன்ச்சிலும் திருசா வலி வரும். அது 2012 அப்புறம் தான். அதுலயும் பிப்ரவரி 23 அப்புறம் தான் 2012 போன நாள். அது மாத்திரம் Minimum and maximum is 50. 50 out of now out of 50 out of 50 எனக்கு கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். நீங்க எதிர்பார்க்கறீங்க. Guru Prasanna holds 37. எல்லாம் உங்க வெல்டன் எல்லாத்தையும் இந்த தண்டனை காட்டான அடிக்கிறதெல்லாம் கடைசியில பாத்துங்க. நான் கொஞ்சம் பேசிடுறேன். வெரி வெல் டன் குரு, வெரி வெல் டன் டீச்சர் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்குள்ளேயே 7:30 மணி ஆயிடும். அமைதியா உங்க உணர்ச்சிகளை கொஞ்சம் அடக்கு. Hey, Nada.
We will say well done, sir, after you are completed, sir.
Max miss, Uma miss திட்டுவாங்க.
Sir, I am
details I know. எனக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும். கல்வியோட அம்மா உன்னை கிழிச்சாங்கன்னு கேள்விப்பட்டேன். உண்மையில சந்தேகப்படுறான். டேய் வெங்கட் ஒருத்தர் இருக்கான்டா என் கூட. நம்ம பையன்
சார் வெங்கட் சார் எங்க டீச்சரே இல்ல சார். அவர் நான் ஒரு வருஷம் பார்க்கவே இல்ல சார்.
ஏய் அவன் சாந்தி ஸ்கூல்ல ஸ்டாஃபே இல்லடா. அவன் அட்டெண்டரா தான்டா இருக்கான். அவன் டெக்னிக்கல் அட்டெண்டரா இருக்கான். அவன் இருக்க எனக்கு எல்லாம் சொல்லிடுவான். ஒரே மெசேஜ் வெங்கட் டுடேஸ் அப்டேட் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா போதும். எல்லாத்த பத்தி முதல்ல பிரபலத்தை பத்தி கேட்பேன். இப்ப இவனை பத்தி அதனாலதான் பழைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட். ஆமா எங்க யாரு நம்ம மட்டும் இல்ல, நீங்க யாருமே கௌரி பிரியா தெரியுமா? உனக்கு வரமாட்டாங்க. அவ 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டீச்சர், இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட். சாந்திநிகேதன் பீடியோட பேர் என்ன? அந்த போனதான் உனக்கு தெரியும். சாந்திநிகேதன் பீடி லைப்ரரியன், பிரின்சிபல் ரூம்ல இருக்கிற அசிஸ்டன்ட். வசந்த் இருக்காங்க, பீடி வசந்த் இருக்காங்க. அவனோட அண்ணன் சுரேஷ் என்பிடி என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட். வசந்த் வந்து என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட். வெங்கட் மட்டும் கோகுலா இருக்கு, வெங்கட் இருக்கா, அப்புறம் ஸ்ரீமதி இருக்கு, அப்புறம் சங்கர் நாராயணன் இருக்காரு. ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து சுலைமான் கிட்ட கேட்டேன்னா உனக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க. எல்கேஜி போய் தலை கடி கேட்டிருக்கேன். நல்ல அமைதியான பொண்ணு சொன்னாங்க. நான் மனசுக்கு உன்னை பத்தி கேட்கறதுக்கு நான் எதுக்கு டீச்சர்கிட்ட போறோம்? அன்னிகிட்டே கேட்ட வந்து
பாலாஜி பத்தி கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா?
பாலாஜி பத்தி கேட்கறதுக்கு டாக்டர் பழனிசாமி பிரின்சிபல் அது எனக்கு தெரியாது. பிரின்சிபல் ஆஃப் என்ஜிஎம் காலேஜ். அப்புறம் அசோக் இருக்கான், என்னுடைய என்ஜிஎம் காலேஜ் பிடி அசோக், என் கிளாஸ்மேட். அவன்கிட்ட பேசணும் அப்படின்னா எல்லாம் நச்சு 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 கட் பண்ணி அப்படியே சும்மா பிளம் பிளேக் ஸ்லைஸ் ஸ்லைஸ் வச்ச மாதிரி. டென்த் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எய்டட், அதாவது எய்டடுங்கிறது 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் மெயின்னு ஒரு லாஸ்ட் டைம் நீ 9th இருக்கும்போது அதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் எடுத்துட்டு. இப்போ வந்து ஷீ இஸ் கோயிங் ஃபார் ஹையர் செகண்டரி படிக்கிறேன். ஆனா ஐ அம் பிரிட்டி ஷூர் நீ இருக்கிற கிளாஸ்க்கு கௌரிங்கிற பேர்ல
வந்தா சந்தேகம் வந்துடும். பின்னாடி செக் பண்ணி
எல்லாத்த பத்தி கேட்போம், எல்லாத்த பத்தி விஷ்ணுபிரியா அப்படின்னு பேரு போட்டு ஆண்டவன் கிளினிக் மகாலிங்கபுரம் ஆர்ட்ஸ் ரகு, டாக்டர் ரகுவோடைய பொண்ணு அப்படின்னு சொன்னாலும் போதும். சரி வருமா? இங்க வருமா? ஒரு அவ்வளவு பெரிய ஆஸ்பத்திரியோட சீஃப் டாக்டர், அவ்வளவு பெரிய மனுஷன் ஜோதி நகர்ல சாதாரண ஒரு ட்ரெயினருக்கு ஒரு நாளைக்கு 5 தடவை போனார். ஆமாம், அவர் வேலையெல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு ஐ சர்ஜரி, இது கேட்ராக்ட் சர்ஜரி, கிளாக்கோமா சர்ஜரி எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு ஒரு நாளைக்கு இந்த மணிகண்டன் சுந்தரேசனுக்கு 5 தடவை போனார். காரணம் ஒரு நான் பெருமையா நினைச்சுக்கிறேன், ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய டாக்டர் நம்ம கிட்ட ஹீஸ் ஆஃப்டர் மீ. நார்மலா தான் சாதாரண ஆளுங்க டாக்டர்கிட்ட போய் நிற்கிறேன், அவர் எங்கிட்ட நின்று இருக்கு. Okay, so Guru Prasanna 37, Mohit scores 42, and Ritan Nitish scores 39. Then Aswathaman has scored 40, and Sanjay Bhaskar has scored 38, and Darshan Siddharth has scored 47 in this round.
Very well done, team.
Make Guru Prasanna's 38, not 37. Total பண்ணுங்க, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க.
Sir, I think 2.4.
எவ்வளோடா?
244, sir.
244. 25 போனது ஆட் பண்ணி 264. 264 inclusive of all bonus by team Ritan. Great job, Ritan.
Very well done, team.
இது அவ்வளவு முக்கியமான வேலை இருக்கு. ஜூலை அப்போ என்ன வர மாட்டியா? The PPT and the excerpts that have been involved have revoked your penalty.
Thank you so much, sir. Hi, Mitra.
penalty revoke பண்ணதுக்கு இன்னொரு காரணம், இன்னைக்கு கல்பிதாவுக்கு ரொம்ப நிறைய கிளாஸ் இருந்ததுனால வாட்ஸ்அப் பார்க்க முடியலங்கிறது. அப்புறம் அந்த பிபிடி தனியால ரெடி பண்ணிருக்க அப்படி. ஸோ கல்பிதானால வந்த ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமா கல்பிதாவே ரிவோக் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
சார் 7% காம்பன்சேஷன்
என்னது
காம்பன்சேஷன்?
ஆமா கண்டிப்பா இது முடிச்சிடலாம் சார். ஆவரேஜ் எல்லாத்தோட ஆவரேஜ் இவங்களுக்கு தான் நான் ஆவரேஜ் உங்களோட ஆவரேஜ் முடிச்சிடலாம். Okay, so now for Mitra it's 47. For Kalpita it's 44. For Vishnupriya it's 39. For Mridubhashini it's 41. For Brinda it's 45. For Balaji, it's 46. And for Sibi Adityan, it's 38. Yeah. This is the score. Almost
38 answer.
38. Take that minus of 25, revoke it.
So plus 20.
Yeah. அவங்களுக்கு bonus இருக்கு. Minus வந்து எடுத்து. Bonus.
Okay.
Tell me the total. சரி, இப்போ நீ வந்து உங்க 6 பேரோட ஆவரேஜ்.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. 44.
Sir, they are 235.
235.
300.
Sir,
அவ்வளவுதான் டே.
310, sir. No,
One number, sir.
300, sir. 300, sir.
அப்படியே சொல்லிட்டான். எவ்வளவு?
44.
Average 44.
Yes, sir. On the 20 marks.
That's the second one. That's the day. நல்லா விவசாயம் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. அது எப்பறம் 44 வரும்? 35 something வரும்.
Sir, 40 point something.
38.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
7th person compensation for Team Ratan. It's derived out of the average of their team's first round performance, and 38 marks have been added. So 243 performance score, 20 points, the bonus that was given for them, and 38 is the 7th person compensation. So 300. 300.
Two, sir.
Yeah, 300. 302. Okay.
Basically, ties.
இல்ல அவங்க போனஸ் கொடுக்கணும்.
ஓ ஆமா சார்.
உங்களுக்கு ஒரு போனஸ் வந்துச்சு. இவங்களுக்கு போனஸ் கொடுக்கறது.
கொடுக்கலாம் சார், கொடுக்கலாம்.
There are some areas where but I am reducing to only one competition bonus because அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு competition bonus தான் கொடுத்தது. So we're basing 20 marks bonus for the team line. எனக்கு அந்த team ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. அதாவது that old lady is no longer available. So ரெண்டு பேரும் ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. She's gone. அந்த பசங்களை மட்டும் ரிலீவ் பண்ணி she's gone. She's an old spirit. Okay, so she's a spirit. She's gone. Spirit. உங்களை எதுவுமே பண்ணாம அந்த பொண்ணை bless பண்ண பொண்ணு இல்ல அந்த அம்மா bless பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. 67 years old. That old lady has blessed all of you and she has disappeared. Okay, so on that note, on the planning வந்து ட்ரக்ஸ்ல இருந்தது வந்து வேற ஒரு பொய் கேஸ்ல மாட்டிக்கிட்டனால நீங்க ரிலீவ் பண்ணி விட்டீங்க. So that was a real good one. All right.
Sir, I need class.
20 marks.
Thank you, sir. 320, sir, and 302, sir.
320 and 302.
Excuse me, sir.
அங்க ஒப்போதான் கட்டிட்டு நான் சார் பாவம் வை. மோ கட்டிட்டு நான் சார்.
உங்களுக்கு வட்டாங்களா?
வந்துட்டாங்க. ஆனா வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த கிளாஸ்.
Okay, so 320 by Team Sibi Adityan and 302 by Team Ratan. Solra Ratan.
Sir, did the old lady gave coffee, sir, while going?
ரொம்ப முக்கியமான.
பண்ணாத.
Sir, you only told us, sir. Before she goes, she will give the whatever the person needs, sir. So only one doubt, sir. Did she give the coffee?
ஏன்னா சாப்பிடுறத பத்தி யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Sir, yesterday you told this particular name, sir. Coffee, particularly you said this, sir.
Sir, I also remember, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Balaji is also supporting me, sir.
சார் கொடுத்தாங்க சார் பேசுங்க.
இல்லடா. Yes, Guru Prasanna. Guru Prasanna. இல்ல.
Yes, sir.
சொல்லு, hand raise, what is it?
Yes, sir. Sir, tomorrow I will not I will not be present, sir, because I'm having Tamil exam on day after tomorrow, sir. So I am very weak in Tamil, sir. So I want, I will just take a leave tomorrow and study for the exam, sir.
How many days you are going to be off?
Sir, only one day.
So tomorrow, right? Okay. So just because it's going to be an examination, you are not earning any penalty, so you can go for it. So 6th and 7th person compensation will be given.
Yes. Exam then, bro. Exam.
All the best, Guru.
Super exam. Exam.
All the best, Guru. All the best, Guru.
All the best, Guru.
Okay, so Lakshmi's parent has come and that's really bad.
That's this.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಲ ಆಯ್ತು.
Wait one month. Yes. 7-9. 7-9. Nazima 7. 7-9. 7-9 that time.
Another phone based. Second round polama? So you listen to the content and read.
Yes.
Every performance knowledge.
Yes.
Okay, so the second round. So now Sanjay's Bangla is seeing a little bit of happiness. Stanley's Bangla. Okay, Stanley's Bangla is seeing a little bit. Stanley's Bangla is seeing a little bit of a relief that one particular case has been settled down. But the members of Stanley's Bangla, although they were dexterous and adventurous in solving the old lady's problem, people like Vishnupriya in C.B. Adityan's group and Aswathaman in Ritan's group, they are very uncomfortable that this house is very miserable and it is mysterious in nature. So they don't want this to be continued, and therefore they want to speak to Stanley about the enigmatic things that are happening into this particular bungalow. But within that, something happens. So there was a local festival that was happening, and Stanley was ordering a very big feast to be arranged for all of his friends. So it's a dinner feast, and since they're all college students, Stanley has been involving the other people in the other people from the colleges which were available in the near vicinity. There were about 7 colleges in the near vicinity of Stanley's bungalow, and out of the 7 colleges, from each college, 30 people were involved. So about 200 people are going to come and to attend the feast. And already from C.B. Adityan's college, there are 7 people, and from Ritanitish's college, there are 6 people. So these 13 people are going to be on a dais, and they are going to address. So Stanley had been requesting everybody to give an address to all the college students. So Dakshin Siddharth goes and asks Stanley, what kind of speech shall we give? So Stanley says, no, in the college, Stanley was basically the senior of all these people. Now he graduated, நீங்க எல்லாம் juniors. Okay? So அவன் படிச்சது அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து BSc. அவன் படிச்ச UG வந்து C.B. Adityan காலேஜ்ல ஃபைனல் இயர்ல, PG வந்து விக்டோரியா குளோரியா. So he was he finished BBM and he finished MBA. அதான் என் படிப்பு.
Yes. Sir, அப்ப நீங்க தான்
அவன் நான் வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Yesterday you told around he was like 50 years, right, sir?
Stanley?
No.
அவன் காலேஜ் முடிச்சிட்டு வந்து அவங்க மாமாவுடைய சொத்தை எடுத்துட்டு அவன் அந்த பங்களால வந்திருக்கான்.
Youngster.
ஆமா 23 24.
Stanley இல்ல.
அதெல்லாம் வரும். So Stanley says this is it, and Dakshin says அப்ப Dakshin கிட்ட அவன் சொல்றான், இல்லடா நான் நீ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கும்போது பத்தி எல்லாம் பேசணும், இல்ல கல்ச்சர் பத்தி பேசினேன், என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட் பத்தி பேசினேன், அந்த மாதிரி நீ தான் பேசணும்னு சொல்றான். அதே மாதிரி இவங்களுக்கு இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கொடுக்குறேன். So the whole people, the whole bunch of people are very busy for the feast. Aswathaman and C.B. Adityan are actually discussing what they will be serving in the feast. Okay, so he says burger, he says chicken, he says mutton, he says chicken lollipop and all that. So I'm உன்னோட இண்டிவிஜுவல் ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸ் பத்தி பேச பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. அப்படியே பாத்துருங்க. Vishnu Priya. Wonderful. கீழே போய் சொல்லுவோம். இல்லாட்டி இங்கிருந்து சொல்லிடும். உங்க அண்ணன் இருந்தா அப்படின்னா டே விளக்குன்னா வெயிட் பண்ணுவோம். நான் சொல்றேன். இல்ல இது கேட்டு போயிரு. இஷ்யூ கேட்டு போயிருங்க. நீங்க பிளானிங் பண்றதா இருந்தா
சார் எவ்வளவு நேரம் சொல்லுங்க.
உங்க just 2 minutes. அவருக்கு அவன் ஒருவர்.
ஓ
இந்த வாரம் I'm waiting for Vishnu Priya. She has just gone to ask them to wait for about 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So இதுல கொஞ்சம் வித்தியாசமா இருக்கும். ரொம்ப டீப்பா திங்க் பண்ண வேண்டாம். கொஞ்சம் ஒரு இதுல கொஞ்சம் சிமுலேஷன் ஆட் பண்ணலாம்னு இருக்கேன் நாளைக்கு. நான் சொல்றேன். Before the idea gets stripped of shit.
Yes, sir.
நமக்கு ஐடியா நிற்கிறதா சொல்லுங்க. யார் அண்ணா அப்பா அம்மாவா? ஐயோ சரி சரி சீக்கிரம் சீக்கிரம் அண்ணன் நடந்தது 1/2 மணி நேரம் வச்சு. So when the feast is getting ready, they were all preparing. So these 210 people are arriving the next day morning. They are going to stay there for 2 days. The first day it's going to be full of local festival and visiting and all that. We are in this wonderful heavenly period of non-pandemic situation. Corona இதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. அதனால எங்க வேணாலும் யார் வேணாலும் எங்க வேணாலும் எப்படி வேணாலும் போகலாம். So அந்த மாதிரி. So second day தான் feast. Third day காலையில எல்லாரும் கிளம்புறாங்க. Okay, right. So in one room, exactly at 9 o'clock, the previous day for the people's visit, in one room, Team CBITN was rehearsing for a presentation that they are going to make. In another room, these people were rehearsing. அப்போ அந்த ரூம்ல சிபிஐத்தன் வந்து இதுதான் பிளான். அவன் வந்து லோக்கல் தலை மாதிரி அவன் சொல்றதை எல்லாரும் கேட்பாங்க. பாருங்க நான் சொல்றதை தான் கேட்கணும். யாரு வந்து ஆட்டிடியூட் காமிச்சிங்க அப்படின்னா கொஞ்சம் அப்படி பேசிட்டு இருக்கான். அப்படி ஸ்டேஜ்ல ஏறி அங்க சின்ன ரூம்ல ஒரு சின்ன கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ரூம் ஸ்டாண்டிங் கொடுத்துருக்கான். அங்க ஒரு 3 காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யாருமே தெரியல. அவன் வந்து உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. அவனுக்கு பாடி லாங்குவேஜ் தான். ஒருத்தர் இப்படி கை கட்டிட்டு பித்தர் ஸ்பின்னர் மாதிரி ஏதோ வச்சு ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். ஒருத்தன் பேனாவை டூடல் பண்ணி இவங்க சொல்றதெல்லாம் எழுதிட்டு இருக்கான். இன்னொருத்தன் வந்து சிபிஐத்தன் போன ஸ்கிட்ல இருந்த மாதிரி லாங் ஹேர், அந்த லாங் ஹேர் வந்து இப்படி இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். பண்ணிட்டு இவங்க எல்லாம் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணோட கோ ஆன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றான். அதேதான் உங்களுக்கு. ஆமா அதான் அப்படித்தானே பண்றீங்க. இல்ல உங்களுக்கு வேற கேட்டகரி இருக்கு. So இப்படி 3 பேர். One a pen doodler, another one a big swag attitudinal person, and the third person is more personality conscious. Okay, personality conscious. Okay, so Vishnu Priya என்ன பண்ணா அப்படி நேரா போய் இந்த பெரிய கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் ஹால்ல இவங்க 2 பேருமே இந்த பக்கம் ரிதன் டீம் இந்த பக்கம் சிபி டீம் ரிஹர்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. இவங்க நடுவுல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு ஒருத்தர் எப்படி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கான், ஒருத்தர் எப்படி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கான். நடுவுல தான் 2 பேரையும் பார்த்து மோஸ்ட் இருக்கு. So from Sibi's college, Virudhabashini and Vishnu Priya are coming, and from Rithan's college, Rithan and Sanjay Bhaskar are coming. யார் நீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்டப்போ அப்படி பார்த்து பிளைனா லுக் கொடுத்துட்டு பண்ணுங்க நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு பண்ணுங்க, நாங்க இங்க நோட்ஸ் எழுதுறோம் நீங்க பண்ணுங்க. We just want to know who you basically are because we are not. நாங்க நாளைக்கு 200 பேர் வர போறாங்க. There are 200 people who are going to show up here and we 3 extra people if they are showing. If we are showing, is it a problem for you? அப்படின்னா oh right okay fine. அப்ப நீங்க முன்னாடி வந்துட்டீங்க. ஆமா முன்னாடி வந்து அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கிளம்புங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இவங்க அப்புறம் வேலையை பார்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சு. So இதுல வந்து மித்ராவுக்கு ஒரு டவுட். So she runs to Stanley and says that யாராவது முன்னாடி வந்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு. ஸ்டான்லி சொல்ற இல்லையே எல்லாம் நாளைக்கு காலையில் 10 மணிக்கு தான் வரானே, 5 பஸ்ல வரானே, இந்த 210 பேர் 5 பஸ்ல வரானே. அப்ப இங்க ஒரு 3 பேர் வந்து உட்கார்ந்து இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா ஸ்டான்லி puts on his night robe and he comes and he looks into the conference room and he looks into them and Mitra is looking at Stanley and 3 people. All the girls and boys are looking at Stanley and 3 people. Looking at Stanley and 3 people. Looking at Stanley and 3 people. Stanley gives a plain look. He stands like this. He has a plain look. He was playing table tennis, so the table tennis racket. Thank you. So he was having the table tennis racket and he was. So you are here finally. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow. I'll meet you tomorrow. Abba, sir.
Yes.
Illa. ஸ்டான்லி வந்து சொன்னான். ஆமா, நீங்க இருக்கு வந்துட்டீங்களா? சரி, நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கிளம்பிடலாம். அவங்க வாட்ச் பார்த்துட்டு போய் கிளம்பிடலாம். நீங்களாம் ஐயா என்ன நடக்குது, அவனுக்கு யார் அப்படின்னு எல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சவங்க நல்ல பசங்க. அவங்க இங்க இருந்து சார்ஜ் பண்ணி ஆடிட்டிங் படிச்சிருக்காங்க, நல்ல பசங்க. என் பிசினஸ் கூட வந்து ஆடிட் சப்போர்ட் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு. உங்களுக்கு ஒண்ணும் புரியல, என்னடா 2 நாளைக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு அம்மா வந்து நின்றுச்சு, இன்னைக்கு இவங்க வந்து நின்று இருக்காங்க, யாரா நீங்களா, என்னடா உடனே அசுத்தவன் வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் கேட்கலாம். நான் அப்பவே சொன்னேன், நீங்க வர வேண்டாம், நான் சொன்னேன், நீங்க தான் கேட்கல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஹீ ஷாக்கிங். சோ இவனுக்கு என்ன ப்ரொபோசிஷன் வச்சிருக்கானுங்க, அந்த ஓல்ட் லேடி மாதிரி இவனுக்கு என்ன சொல்றானே அப்படிங்கறத நான் ரவுண்ட் டு டிஸ்கஷன், மெயின் டிஸ்கஷன் 3 ரவுண்ட், மொத்தம் 3 ரவுண்ட் பிளான் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதான் சார் நாளைக்கு இல்ல டிஸ்கஷன். 20 நிமிஷம் தான் டிஸ்கஷன். ஓகே, அச்சா. Right, so we are finishing up here, boys and girls. So any questions? Kalpita, Balaji, Guru Prasad, Kalpita.
Sir, before tomorrow also can we discuss, sir?
If you have time, Kalpita, if you are not clutched up with your academic work, you can always have a discussion. I don't have any problem.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, fine. என்ன இதே மாதிரி தான் ஒரு கோரிக்கை கொடுப்பானே, நீங்க தான் பண்ணணும். இல்ல நான் வேற பிளான் பண்ணிருக்கேன், நீங்க இத மட்டும் பிளான் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, right? Any other questions? Because Vishnupriya's parent has come, Brinda's parent has come, Dakshin's parent has come, they're all leaving. So I don't have any plans to continue after this. So, any questions? We are adjourning.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, fine. So say bye, everybody. Kalpita, Guru Darshan.
Bye, Ram.
Okay, see you. Bye. Record off. Okay, Dakshin, this should be everything. Come on, shoot.
Thank you, sir.